Understanding Political Transition, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that often pops up in news and discussions around the world. Political transition. It's a phrase that might sound complex, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also be able to spot it in real-world situations. So, let's get started on this enlightening journey. At its core, political transition refers to the process of change from one political system or leadership to another. This could mean shifting from one government to another, changing political parties in power, or even transforming the entire political system of a country. It's like handing over the baton in a relay race, but in this case, it's about leadership and governance. The key elements of a political transition involve change, process, and governance. Political transitions can come in many forms, and understanding these can help you better grasp the concept. Let's look at a few types. 1. Democratic transitions. This occurs when a country moves from a non-democratic regime, like a dictatorship, to a democratic government, where people have more power in choosing their leaders. 2. Coup d'état. This is a sudden and often forceful change in leadership, usually carried out by a small group within the existing government or the military, without the consent of the general population. 3. Peaceful succession. In contrast to a coup, peaceful succession is when the transfer of power happens smoothly, often through elections or as dictated by the country's laws. 4. Revolutionary transitions. These are significant, fundamental changes in a country's political, social, and economic systems, often accompanied by widespread popular support and sometimes violence. Understanding these types helps to appreciate the diversity and complexity of political transitions across the globe. Political transitions are crucial because they can dramatically affect a country's direction, impacting everything from economic policies to social freedoms. A successful transition can lead to stability, growth, and increased freedoms, while a failed transition might result in uncertainty, conflict, or even civil war. It's important for citizens to be aware and involved in these transitions to safeguard their rights and future. Navigating a political transition is rarely smooth. Challenges can include resistance from the outgoing regime. Those in power may not want to relinquish control, leading to tensions. Divisions within society. Different groups may have conflicting visions for the future, complicating consensus building. Economic instability. Uncertainty during transitions can lead to economic downturns, affecting livelihoods. Awareness and understanding of these challenges can help societies better prepare for and manage transitions. I hope this video has shed some light on the complex yet intriguing concept of political transition. Whether it's through peaceful elections, revolutionary changes, or other means, these transitions shape the history and future of nations. By understanding the nuances of political transitions, you're better equipped to engage in informed discussions and contribute positively to your community's future. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to exploring more fascinating topics with you. Stay curious and keep learning.